Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. In this Walmart haul, it's going to consist of spring/summer items. I want to say very lightly on the summer because you know they only put things ahead of time, one season ahead of time, which will be the spring, but some of these outfits are giving summer as well. So we're just going to leave it at spring/summer. And y'all, when I say I'm excited, I know I'm excited about every haul, but this haul, honey, they put out so many graphic tees at my store. I was excited, and you know I'm a graphic tee queen. Like, you know I love me a good graphic, so this haul is definitely me. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see the outfits. But yeah girl, I have everything linked in the description box below. Some things may or may not be online, so I'll just let you know in the description box below and just tell you if it's in store only. But I'm gonna try my hardest to get everything linked. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as play makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So let's get into it, girl. Okay y'all, so for this first look, we're gonna start off strong with a graphic tee outfit. And girl, this look is so cute to me. Okay, so starting with this graphic tee is from the men's department. It's a Kiss graphic tee, and of course the brand just says Kiss. It's kind of, the brand is basically whatever the band name is. So yeah, like sis, they had so many band tees. Anyways, we'll get into that later. But girl, so cute. I almost bought some shoes to match this at Nike, and it was maroon and yellow, but I didn't have anything to go with it. That's why you always just go with your gut. Anyway, like that's never that's beside the point. The top is cute, girl. It's Kiss. The colors is just so pretty, and I got her in a size medium, I want to say. Let me see. No, I got her in a size small. That is it. So because I wore this with a skirt, I did size down to a size small, because as you can see, the tee is kind of big in itself. And again, we'll get into that later because the other graphic tees, I kind of got them in different sizes. But yeah, so I got this in a size small because I knew I wanted it to be a little fitted. It was $12.98, which is not a bad price at all. And it's like that soft material. Normally it's like a very structured tee, but this is very soft, flimsy, just light and airy. It's just like a really nice tee. It as well has something on the back, and you already know when there is something on the back, your girl feels like she is doing something. So whenever I wear this, I'm gonna have my hair up and just looking like, I'm gonna be cute, y'all, because I just feel like I'm doing something with something on the back. Like, girl, she is cute. But again, the tee fits me the way I wanted it to fit, given that it is a size small, and the size small almost fits like a medium, like a regular size medium, if that makes sense. You know I like to upsize. So yeah, just real cute. So I paired her with this skirt, y'all. When I say I was so excited to see this skirt at Walmart, and in the junior section at that, and then for it to be like a mini, like, girl, who Walmart think they are? Like, who is their buyer? Because sis, this skirt is so cute. So I got her again, y'all, in the junior section, size large. Yep, a size large. I did upsize because juniors normally fit me a little small, but in this case I definitely could have wore a size medium. And I started to try it on in the store because I thought that it was kind of, you know, a little wide or whatever, but I'm like, you know what, once I get home it's probably not going to have any stretch. But girl, get your normal size because it has stretch, as well as the drawstring that saved me because it was just a tad bit baggy. But I don't mind the fit at all because I don't want my skirt to be too fitted. You know I like loose things like anyway or whatever, so I don't mind the fit at all. And then my butt sits up high, so if I would have got a medium and it would have fit tight, it probably would have been like up real high in the back, booty cheeks hanging out, because you know I'm packing like that. No, I'm just playing, but for real, if my butt does sit up high, and I probably would have just been like you know, a little butt showing. So I'm glad I did go with the size large. Again, it's like this little mini skirt, cargo. It has the little pockets on the side, the drawstring. So if you do like a loose fit like me, upsize and just utilize the drawstring and you should be good. But she is so cute, and green can be worn with everything. I don't care what anybody says. I treat green, like this khaki type of green, as a denim, as to why I paired it, because of course green, well, green and red and yellow go. It's like, if you know, you know. That's it. I can't teach it to you. I can't explain it to you. If you know, you know. Green basically goes with everything, just like khaki goes with everything. You know what I'm saying? We here, okay. So I paired her with the skirt. Again, like the colors just flow together. Again, I really wish I had them yellow and maroon shoes, because it would have just set this look off. Anyway, so I paired her with some red Jordans, which was a good red for this top because it matched really good. And then the bag I paired it with was Steve Madden from TJ Maxx, just because I wanted to do that pop of yellow. And the look is looking, sis. The skirt, the look, hold on y'all, did I tell y'all how much this skirt was? Because I'm just so excited. Size large, $12.98, sis. $12.98 for this skirt. Can you believe that? This entire outfit was $24. $12.98 for a skirt. You cannot beat that. But yeah, she real cute, y'all. Everything paired together so nicely, and the look is looking. Okay, so this next look is another skirt look, but starting with the top. This top is from the junior section. I want to say it's like a jacket. Anyway, so I got it in a size large. She was $16.98. Not bad. What does it say it is? It says it's a denim cropped shacket. Okay, so it's a denim cropped shacket. It's very soft material, not structured at all. It was giving like, I don't want to say sweatpants, but like that denim, stretchy denim material, or like stretchy jegging material. That's what it's giving. Like, it's stretchy material, is very soft. I thought it was going to have like some pants to go with it, like jogging pants, because that's the feel of it. Like, I don't know. And this as well came in the color black, which I loved, by the way. I really was going to get it in the color black, but I didn't have anything to pair with it, because it's like a really funky type of top. Like, it kind of goes with sweatpants, but then it kind of goes with jeans. I don't know. If you see it in person, you'll probably understand, because I don't think you can get the gist of the material while I'm just holding it up. But as you can see, it's like just very soft. It's a beige cream color, and then it's outlined in beige or whatever. It's real cute, and then it's cropped, and it has like that little frayed hem. I did upsize, which I probably should have just got it in a size medium. This was another one that I looked at and I was like, I probably could do a medium, but I didn't know how it was gonna fit, and I just don't be trying anything on in the stores. I don't have time. Or I do, I just don't feel like it. Anyways, I thought it was just really cute. It paired nicely with this little top. We'll get into the top first. This is just a basic white stretchy tank, junior section, size medium, and she was $5.98. This came in different colors as well. I want to say black and cream, or like a brownish color, because I was going to get the brown color to pair with the skirt, but I decided to go with white because I didn't want to do too much brown. But y'all, when I say she's stretchy, she's stretchy. This is a really good denim top. It does go in, I don't want to say, what is it called? I forget what it's called. Let me see if it's on here. It does not say. It just says high neck tank. But what is it called when it's like ribbed? Something, I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. But it kind of just goes in. I'm kind of not a fan of that, because you got to tuck your straps in or whatever. I do not like my straps to show at all, and or wear a just like a little bandeau bra or whatever, because it goes in. But she's real cute, real good material. It pairs so well with this skirt, y'all. Again, I was excited about this skirt. Now, I seen this skirt first, then I seen the green one. This skirt as well came in another, well, I wouldn't say another color, but they did have another option as a skirt, and it was like a denim with like rhinestones on the front. I thought it was giving a little too kiddish for me personally, but it was still cute. Anyways, so this skirt, y'all, same as the green one, same size, same price. Let me get into it again. Size large, $12.98. Same brand, just a different type of shade or whatever, or design. This little camo is real cute. I can't wait. Well, hopefully they make a army fatigue one. I do like this shade as well, but you can't go wrong. Like, like you have to have a basic army fatigue skirt. You have to. So hopefully they make one. But besides that, this one is really, really cute. I just love the colors. It was different to me. And it just pairs so nicely with the shacket and the white tee. I as well paired her with some dunks, like these little cream dunks that just, girl, it went together so good. The bag is from Zara. I got that from their sale. When we're just doing all neutrals, it was all cute together. And yeah, girl. So this next look is my fave. I do have a top like this that I got from TJ Maxx, but this one is slightly different. It's like brighter colors, and I love these bright colors. So again, men's section, this one I did get in a size medium. Yep, I got it in a size medium, same price, $12.98. And girl, again, she is just so cute. I want to say last year or the year before last, this top was very popular. Urban Outfitters had one. Like every type of retailer had this top, and it just depended on where you got it for what the price was going to be. So yeah, like sis, I finally got one. Well, I'm not going to say finally got one. I got one already, but it's a little bit of a different shade. But yeah, I finally got one with the brighter colors, and she is just, girl, she is so cute. The medium fits me like a upsize. You know, normally my regular size is a medium, and large is my upsize. This fits me like an upsize. It is so big, y'all, like super big. Again, very soft, flimsy, light and airy, but she is big. So if you don't want a big top, definitely size down, but the medium fits me like an oversized, and I love that for me. So I paired her with these bottoms. The bottoms just went, y'all. Y'all know I love a good sweatpants and a little graphic tee. Like, that is my thing. And the sweatpants just did it for me. I mean, I could have did some denim jeans, but the sweatpants was a look. I don't know if they intended it to be an outfit. I don't think they did, because it did have a hoodie that came with it. But you know me, we're gonna put a graphic tee with everything, and these are so cute. Again, men's section, size medium. I did medium is my normal size again, y'all, but these tend to run a little big. I definitely could have did a size small, but I did not want them to fit me like that. You know, I don't like big things. I don't know how many times I have to say that, but for anybody new, I do not like big things. I do not like tight things. I like everything to be big. So I did get them in a medium. These were $18.98. Again, if you want them to like fit regularly, just get your normal size, because the men joggers tend to run big. And yeah, they're just very light, airy, soft, a little flimsy. Like, it's not structured, but it's slightly good material. And I say slightly only because it's just very light, airy. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, she's just very light and airy. It does have a drawstring that I did have to utilize because, again, she was fairly big, but they are so comfortable. Like, y'all, I really like these joggers, especially paired with the tee. I topped it off with my colorful Nikes. Or yeah, Jordans. I paired them with my Nike Jordans or whatever, and then I paired it as well with this little Marni dupe bag that I got from Forever 21 like maybe a year or so ago, when Marni was in. Marni is still in, but you get what I'm saying. When the little bags were in, that's when I got that. As well, I kind of like took the bag away and then added the hat. Sis, the hat did it for me. You know I love a good hat. The hat is from Urban Outfitters, and the hat just completed the look. Like, sis, so I just wanted to give y'all two ways of that, how I styled it. The necklaces are from Forever 21, and I'm just very colorful. Like, y'all know I love color. This outfit is definitely me. So this next look is like just a real chill little vibe, little throw on look that, hey, I'm running to the store, I'm just needing to pick up some whatever. Like, this is that look. So starting with this jacket, if you saw my last haul, you already know that this is from the last haul. This jacket is so cute, y'all. So junior section, I got it in a size extra large. I went up 2 sizes because I like my jackets to fit oversized. So yeah, 2 sizes up, extra large. It was $19.98, which is a steal for this cropped jacket. It's not heavy, it's light. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy. Like, sis, perfect for the spring. Like, get you one of these jackets. I wish they came in more colors, because I would definitely get it, especially for the price. $19.99 or $19.98. Sis, you cannot beat that. Has pockets that you can utilize in the front. It's like a mid little puffer. She is just cute, y'all. So anyway, so I paired her with this romper. This romper actually is supposed to be paired with like this little crop top that's like a little active wear crop top, but I kind of just wanted to pair it with the jacket and I love it so much. Anyways, junior section, size medium, and this was $12.98. I started to upsize, but you know, I did get the one that is long pants, and I upsized that in a size large and it was kind of too big. So yeah, I got this one in a size medium and it fits me to the T. As you can see, it has like these little, I don't want to call these pockets, but I want to say it is pockets. So when you work out, you can put like a lip gloss, your key, or your cell phone in it. I think it's supposed to be like a pocket. And yeah, I want to say you're supposed to work out in this, but it was in the junior section. It wasn't in the workout section or athleisure section. So yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just supposed to give that look like you're going to work out, but you're really not. But anyways, it fits me to the T, very tight and form-fitting. Love that. And then of course, if I have something form-fitting, I have to have that jacket just to like make me feel a little bit comfortable. I don't know, I just, girl, I can't explain it. But anyway, she's really cute, fits me nicely. Perfect again for the springtime, because you know it kind of gets a little warm but cold in the daytime. So you got your jacket for the day and then you can take it off. Me, I'm not gonna take it off because I already told y'all how I feel. I be feeling like I'm naked, like I ain't got no clothes on if I take it off. Like I have to have something covering me. Anyways, this is just real cute, and especially for the price point. I paired her with this little hat that I got from Ross, my Nike Jordans, and my little crossbody bag that I wear with everything black and orange is from Zara. So this last look is definitely me. Anything with a T and some color, like, girl, that is me. So another graphic tee. I told y'all they came through with the graphic tees. I didn't even get all of them. Like, I saved one. I saved one style just in case I happen to do another haul, so you don't see like all of the graphic tees. But girl, I was so excited. I literally dang near grabbed all of the graphic tees that they just came out with. Anyway, so this is from the men's section, size small, because I knew I was going to wear her with this skirt. And this was again $12.98. This says Slime, and it's just very colorful, very me. I just like it, y'all. Like, I don't know, I just like it. I just really like the colors. Again, size small, because I knew I was gonna wear a fitted skirt, so I didn't want to go too big. Again, just kind of just gaze at how you want to wear. If you want to wear it with tight jeans or whatever, something form-fitting, kind of size down. If you want to wear it with sweats, kind of size up. And or if you want to just size up and roll it up in the back and do a crop top, like, do as you please. But you know, I just want to let you know how the sizing works, because this is a fairly large top. But she's just real cute, y'all. I paired her again with the skirt. I told you, green to me, this khaki green goes with everything. $12.98, size large, from the junior section. Very light and airy. She is just so cute, y'all. The outfit is outfitting. So we put on the hat that I got from Urban Outfitters. It's a spring little hat, and it just brings out all of the colors. She is real cute. Then I pair her with the same little Nike Jordans, and then the bag is from Zara's, real old or whatever. But the outfit, a round of applause. Okay, anyway. So that is it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.